ITWeb's 12th annual Business Intelligence Summit pieced together topics that routinely affect operational efficiency in business. From social analytics to data management and governance, the three-day event held at the Forum in Bryanston featured an engaging exhibition as well as presentations from internationally acclaimed speakers with prized insight on how to marry data interpretation with customer intelligence.
I'm at the ITWeb Business Intelligence Summit 2017, and I'll be doing a talk on deep learning. It's a brief introduction, an overview, and it gives an idea of why deep learning is used, why it's growing so rapidly, and it's very practical. I hope to help people, if they're interested, if they want to experiment it, to get a running start. But I think the technology is still very new, so the chances of bumping into it otherwise is probably fairly slim.
Business at this point in time needs to understand their data better, get more value out of their data, and an event like this really promotes business people understanding what the potential is within their data. We believe the data is really just bits and bytes with massive potential.
There's more of an analytics focus than there used to be, and I think that's reflective of the international market, which has changed considerably. The technology landscape is flattening. You find the same conversations about technology, about analytics, about data science, and about data. And it used to be that you could count on things happening in certain parts of the world and very slowly propagating out over a 4 or 5 year time span. And all of that's been compressed now. And so I think it's really useful to have these kinds of events everywhere in the world, because we're all starting to do things at almost the same time thanks to the ubiquity of the internet.
With all this data and with all this computing power, you need people who are able to take that data and manipulate it and analyze it in a way that makes it useful for business. There's no doubt that collecting all the good brains of the industry together brings people to see what's possible in the future with BI.
So there'll be a lot of talk today, I'm sure, around the technical process and the ecosystem that goes behind a good BI and analytics strategy. How do you extract value from that? How do you make sure that analytics is behind each customer touch point, be it marketing, fraud, risk, and so on, and actually deliver value? Because at the end of the day, that's what business is looking for.
In this new, brave, bold era we're entering, with dynamic competition, with new entrants, new threats, new opportunities, we can't rely on our past success as an indicator of how we grow into the future. We need to challenge the management paradigms that are currently at play. It's outdated and we need to change those fast. I think the first few people who really sort of propose these provocative new ways of doing work may be sort of outcasts and maybe sort of burnt at the stake, but I think it's up to us to be able to take that message forward and find new ways of structuring our businesses to better capitalize in this fast moving world.